Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Choti Diwali. Today I'm doing a really simple and easy look, something that you can wear with any outfit. Prepping the skin before makeup is very important, and I'm going to use a sheet mask, which I find is the easiest way to really transform your skin and get it ready for makeup. So I'm using the pomegranate one from the Face Shop, which works really well for me when my skin is a bit dehydrated and dry. So if you want to try it out, do try this just before you do your makeup, and it'll definitely make a big difference in how your foundation goes on your skin. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa SKINshield, which is a really good special occasion foundation. I don't use this one as often as the Skin Genius, but whenever I want a more high coverage and flawless look, I really like this. And you'll see I'm not using concealer in this look. I'm just going to layer the foundation in my under eye where I need more coverage, and it's giving me such a nice perfected skin look and evening out my skin tone really well. Moving on to the eyes, I'm first going to fill in my brows, and I'm using the brow filler by Sugar, and this is a really nice dupe for the MAC one, which you might have seen me use in several of my videos, and it costs so much lesser. I really like this. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the Peach Sorbet palette by Nykaa, and I'm using this dark bronzy sort of a color. It's a shimmery color. It's really well pigmented, as you can see. I'm just patting it all over my lid using a flat brush, and then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges so my crease doesn't look so harsh, and I have a nice diffused look in the crease where the eyeshadow application ends. I'm using that same color along the outer part of my lower lash line, and for the inner part I'm using a lighter color just to give a little bit of a gradient. And I'm taking that golden eyeshadow all the way to my inner corner and the tear duct as well. For my waterlines, I'm using the Sugar Heavy Duty Kohl, which is one of my favorites. This is very pigmented, super creamy. It just gives you a really nice, dark, rich look. I'm using it to tight line my eyes, and that means I'm using this on my upper waterline as well, and that just gives you a nice, thicker lash look. And no eye look is complete without mascara, so I'm just going to use 2 coats of mascara on my top lashes as well as my bottom lashes. Then for the lips, I'm using the Sugar Nothing Else Matters lipstick in the shade Browning Glory, and this is my current favorite nude lipstick. I love the formula, love the color payoff and the beautiful velvety matte finish. I'm also using this as a blush, and this is a really nice tip for anyone who's a beginner who doesn't want to buy loads of different products. You can just use your lipstick as a cream blush. Then to highlight, I'm using the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter, and this is quite pigmented, so I've just used the tiniest amount. And then in the end, I just wanted to add a little bit of dimension to my face, so I'm using one of my favorite contouring products. This one is by L'Oreal, and just using this along my jawline and also to sculpt my cheekbones. And that is the final finished look. I love how easy this is, and this is something that can work with practically any outfit. I hope you all found this video helpful. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.